Everyone is born with smooth, resilient skin. Your skin cells provide the fingerprint for this original beauty. Youthful skin cells have great communication skills with redox signaling molecules that enable healthy, consistent renewal. Over time, redox signaling declines, communications break down, and youthful renewal slows to a crawl. By age 50, it can take upwards of 90 days, at least 200% decrease. The result is visibly aging skin. Healthy, youthful skin doesn't need to be a thing of the past. Introducing Renew Advanced, the first and only redox signaling anti-aging face care system. Get your best skin back in just 3 simple steps. The first step is cleanse. Gentle refining cleanser tones and hydrates as it washes away dirt, oil, and impurities, prepping your skin for redox signaling products. The second step is repair. Start with Renew 28 Revitalizing Redox Gel, the everywhere skin therapy with redox signaling molecules for smooth, toned skin. Apply intensive redox serum to specific trouble areas. This ultra-concentrated anti-aging serum delivers redox signaling molecules for visibly smoother skin in under 30 minutes. The third step is replenish. Our Ultra Replenishing Moisturizer provides native hydration elements, pollution defense, and anti-aging actives for visibly youthful skin. Renew Advanced combines the best of science and nature. Mindful ingredient selection, safety, and efficacy guide our choices. No drastic measures needed, and there are no irritating ingredients that give only the illusion of improvement. Renew Advanced provides visible benefits in 30 minutes that build over time for a healthy, youthful appearance. We guarantee. Get your best skin back with Renew Advanced. Healthy really is beautiful.